Have you ever stopped to think about what lies beneath our feet? It's easy to take for granted the solid ground we walk on. But under the surface, there's a hidden world, and it's one that we've been shaping for centuries. Why do we dig down into the earth? Sometimes it's about finding what we need. Think about precious metals, natural gas, or even just fresh water. These resources are often hidden underground, and digging is the only way to reach them. But other times we dig not to unearth something, but to create something new. Think about it. Space on the surface is limited, especially in crowded cities. Building underground allows us to create more space for the things we need. Transportation systems, utilities, even entire buildings. It's like adding a whole new dimension to our cities. And let's not forget the sheer wonder of it all. Tunneling through mountains, diving beneath rivers, carving out vast caverns. These are incredible feats of engineering and determination. They speak to our human desire to push boundaries and explore the unknown. So, the next time you're walking down the street, take a moment to imagine the hidden world below. It's a world of hard work, ingenuity, and maybe even a little bit of magic. We might not see it every day, but underground construction is all around us. Think about the subway you ride to work or school. That's underground construction at work, moving thousands of people beneath the bustling city streets. Or consider the pipes that deliver fresh water to your home and carry away wastewater. They're part of a vast, hidden network that keeps our cities running smoothly. But it's not just about transportation and utilities. Underground construction also plays a vital role in communication. Fiber optic cables, which bring us high-speed internet and entertainment, are often buried underground, protected from storms and other hazards. Storage is another important use. In many cities, underground facilities safely house everything from important documents and historical artifacts to food supplies and emergency equipment. And let's not forget about energy. Underground facilities are ideal for storing natural gas and other fuels, as well as for generating renewable energy from sources like geothermal heat. The next time you step on an escalator down into a shopping center or drive through a tunnel, remember, you're experiencing the impact of underground construction. It's a hidden world that makes our lives easier, safer, and more connected. Working underground is a bit like exploring uncharted territory. It's exciting, challenging, and requires careful planning and a deep respect for safety. Before any digging can begin, engineers and geologists spend countless hours studying the ground conditions. They analyze soil samples, survey the terrain, and use ground-penetrating radar to create a detailed map of what lies beneath the surface. It's like taking an X-ray of the Earth. They need to know what kind of soil and rock they'll be dealing with, whether there's water present, and if there are any existing structures or utilities that need to be avoided. And because safety is paramount in underground construction, extensive planning goes into ensuring the well-being of the workers. Ventilation systems are designed to provide fresh air deep underground, and emergency escape routes are carefully planned in case of any unexpected events. Regular safety inspections, protective gear, and ongoing training are all essential parts of creating a safe working environment. Think of it like this. Before a diver jumps into the ocean, they check their gear, study the currents, and have a plan for getting back to the surface. Underground construction requires that same level of meticulous preparation and commitment to safety. Turning the vision of an underground project into reality is a step-by-step process that requires precision, teamwork, and some seriously heavy-duty equipment. First, surveyors use lasers and other high-tech tools to mark the precise location and depth of the excavation. Then the real digging begins. Powerful excavators claw away at the earth, loading the excavated material onto trucks. As the excavation progresses, it's crucial to prevent the surrounding earth from collapsing inwards. This is where support structures come in. Once the excavation is complete and the support structures are in place, the real construction can begin. This might involve pouring concrete to create tunnel linings, installing pipes or cables, or even assembling prefabricated sections of tunnels. Finally comes the breakthrough, the moment when two ends of a tunnel meet perfectly. It's a testament to the skill and collaboration of everyone involved. Underground construction is a dance between human ingenuity and raw power, and nowhere is this more evident than in the incredible machines that help us move mountains, or at least massive amounts of earth. Imagine a giant metal claw strong enough to rip through rock and soil with ease. That's an excavator, and it's the workhorse of many underground projects. These behemoths come in all shapes and sizes, from compact models used for digging trenches to massive machines capable of excavating entire tunnels. Then there are the tunnel boring machines, or TBMs. These are the heavyweights of the underground construction world. TBMs are essentially giant, self-contained factories on wheels, designed to bore through solid rock with incredible precision. With rotating cutting heads studded with teeth made of super-hard materials, TBMs can chew through even the toughest geology, all while installing concrete tunnel linings as they go. But it's not just about brute force. Surveyors use lasers and GPS technology to guide the machines with millimeter accuracy, while skilled operators ensure that everything runs smoothly. And let's not forget the countless other machines that play a vital role: loaders that scoop up excavated material, dump trucks that haul it away, cranes that lift and place heavy components. All around the world, underground construction projects stand as testaments to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome incredible challenges. Take the Gotthard Base Tunnel in Switzerland, for example. At over 35 miles long, it's the longest and deepest railway tunnel in the world, running beneath the Swiss Alps and connecting northern and southern Europe. Or consider the Channel Tunnel, which links England and France beneath the English Channel. This underwater marvel, completed in 1994, is a testament to international collaboration and engineering prowess. But it's not just about record-breaking feats. Sometimes the most impressive underground projects are those that seamlessly integrate with our daily lives. Think about the underground metro systems in cities like London, New York, and Tokyo. These subterranean networks transport millions of people every day, efficiently and reliably. And let's not forget the hidden infrastructure that keeps our cities running: the water pipes, sewer systems, and electrical grids that we often take for granted. These underground networks are the unsung heroes of modern urban life. Each of these projects, whether grand in scale or hidden from view, represents the culmination of countless hours of planning, innovation, and sheer hard work. As our cities grow and the demand for resources intensifies, we're facing tough questions about creating a sustainable future. Increasingly, the answers are leading us underground. Underground construction offers solutions to urbanization's challenges. With limited space above ground, building down allows us to create new infrastructure. Transportation systems, utilities, and even entire neighborhoods can exist without encroaching on green spaces. Imagine high-speed trains whisking passengers between destinations while minimizing disruption above. Picture underground farms providing fresh local produce year-round. Envision entire underground cities powered by renewable energy and shielded from the elements. These are becoming increasingly within reach thanks to advances in underground construction technology. Underground construction allows us to preserve the beauty and history of our cities. By burying infrastructure, we can create pedestrian-friendly streets and reclaim urban space for parks. It also protects historical buildings from unsightly necessities. Underground construction is an investment in our future, creating more livable, sustainable, and resilient cities.